Hello, seekers of truth. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 timeless philosophical lessons that have the power to change the way you view life, and perhaps even transform the way you live. These truths aren't just ideas from the past. They are pathways to a deeper, more fulfilling existence in today's world. Philosophy isn't just about abstract ideas. It's about applying the wisdom of the great thinkers to our everyday lives. So let's dive into these 5 life-changing lessons. First, let's talk about impermanence. The ancient philosopher Heraclitus said, "You cannot step into the same river twice." This means that life is constantly changing, and nothing stays the same. It's a lesson in letting go of people, experiences, even our own expectations. Once we embrace impermanence, we free ourselves from the pain of attachment and open ourselves to growth. By accepting that everything is temporary, we can start to appreciate the present moment, the only thing we truly have. Next, let's talk about perspective. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher, reminded us that our life is what our thoughts make it. How you perceive your world shapes your reality. If you see obstacles as opportunities, every challenge becomes a stepping stone. The power is in your mind, in how you choose to interpret and respond to life's circumstances. One of the greatest lessons from Socrates is simple: know thyself. But what does this mean in practice? It means that true freedom comes from understanding your own desires, fears, and motivations. When you know who you truly are, you stop living in reaction to external influences and start making choices that align with your true nature. Self-knowledge is the key to inner peace. It's the foundation for all growth. Philosopher Nietzsche said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." When we have purpose, we have direction. Every struggle becomes easier to endure because we know what we are working toward. Without purpose, life can feel aimless. So, find your why. What drives you? What are you passionate about? Let your purpose guide you through each day. And lastly, compassion. The Buddha taught us that compassion is the wish for others to be free from suffering. In a world that often seems divided, compassion is the bridge that connects us all. When we show empathy and understanding, not only do we help others, but we heal ourselves too. Compassion is not a weakness. It's a strength. It's a practice we can cultivate every day, with every person we meet. These 5 lessons, embracing impermanence, changing our perspective, seeking self-knowledge, living with purpose, and cultivating compassion, are just the beginning of the wisdom that philosophy offers us. These truths are not just for thinkers. They are for those who want to live a fuller, more meaningful life. So I challenge you to apply them in your own life today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our community of truth seekers. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share which lesson resonates with you the most and how you plan to integrate it into your life. Until next time, remember, the path to wisdom is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your true self.